Have you and your partner been dreaming of the perfect romantic getaway, but feel overwhelmed by endless cruise options? What if I told you there's a secret category of cruises specifically designed for couples over 50 that many travel agents won't even think to mention? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal 6 exclusive cruise experiences that combine romance, adventure, and relaxation in ways perfectly tailored for couples in their golden years. But first, do you know the single most important factor that separates an ordinary cruise from a truly unforgettable romantic experience? Stay with me, because this insight can transform your next vacation. What's the secret that transforms an ordinary cruise into a romantic adventure? It's not about the price tag or even the destination. It's about finding a cruise line that specializes in creating experiences specifically for mature couples. Most cruise lines either cater to families with children or to younger singles looking to party. But the cruise lines I'm about to reveal understand something crucial about couples over 50. You want sophisticated entertainment, meaningful cultural experiences, luxurious comfort, and thoughtful service, all in an elegant, adult-focused environment. Before we explore these hidden gems, let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed how the most memorable moments in your relationship often happen when you're experiencing something new together? These cruise lines have built their entire philosophy around this powerful insight. With that in mind, what if you could discover 6 exceptional cruise lines designed specifically to create those unforgettable moments, specifically for couples over 50? Our first discovery is Viking Ocean Cruises, the perfect match for couples who bond over cultural exploration and intellectual stimulation. What sets Viking apart is their strictly adults-only policy. No passengers under 18 are ever permitted. This creates a sophisticated, peaceful environment that's increasingly rare in the cruise industry. Imagine exploring the treasures of the Mediterranean, the dramatic landscapes of Northern Europe, or the pristine wilderness of Alaska without the background noise of children's activities. Viking ships are intentionally designed at a smaller scale, hosting just 930 passengers compared to the 3,000 plus on mainstream cruise lines. This creates an intimate experience where staff quickly learn your preferences and fellow passengers become your friends rather than strangers. Most travelers over 50 say Viking provides the perfect blend of cultural depth and comfort. The complimentary shore excursions are a highlight, offering unique cultural insights with knowledgeable local guides. For couples over 50, Viking offers the perfect blend of exploration and comfort. Their spacious staterooms all feature private verandas, the perfect setting for intimate moments as you sail into new ports. And unlike many cruise lines that charge for specialty restaurants, Viking includes them all in your fare. But here's the real question to consider. If cultural immersion is Viking's specialty, what cruise line is specifically designed for couples seeking the ultimate luxury and personalized service? For couples who want to celebrate their relationship with the ultimate in luxury, Regent 7 Seas Cruises offers an experience that redefines opulence. What makes Regent extraordinary is their truly all-inclusive approach. While other luxury lines charge for premium experiences, Regent includes virtually everything in your fare, from unlimited shore excursions to premium wines and spirits to specialty dining and even gratuities. Their ships host between 490 and 750 guests, creating an atmosphere of exclusivity and personalized attention. Every accommodation is a suite with a private balcony, and their staff-to-guest ratio is amongst the highest in the industry. Couples over 50 often describe their Regent experience as a carefree indulgence, where every detail is handled seamlessly. Many guests praise the attentive service and the ease of having everything already included, allowing them to relax and enjoy each other fully. Regent's Mediterranean, Asian, and transatlantic voyages are designed for travelers who appreciate life's finer details. Imagine returning from exploring ancient ruins or bustling markets to be greeted by name with your favorite cocktail prepared exactly to your preference, followed by a gourmet dinner featuring ingredients sourced from that very region that you're exploring. For couples over 50, Regent offers something increasingly precious: the luxury of ease. Every detail is handled for you, allowing you to focus entirely on each other and the experiences you're sharing. But what if you're seeking the perfect balance between luxury and a more vibrant social atmosphere? Let me introduce you to a cruise line that might surprise you. Celebrity Cruises' newest ship, Celebrity Beyond, represents a completely fresh approach to cruising for mature couples, blending contemporary luxury with wellness and culinary excellence. What distinguishes Celebrity Beyond is its innovative resort within a resort concept called The Retreat. This exclusive ship within a ship offers private dining, a dedicated lounge, and a secluded sun deck, perfect for couples who want options between socializing and private moments. While Celebrity Beyond is larger than our previous selections at 3,260 passengers, the Retreat creates an intimate boutique experience within the larger ship. This gives you the best of both worlds, access to more entertainment options and dining menus, and the ability to retreat to your own private sanctuary. Many couples appreciate Celebrity's focus on wellness and relaxation. Guests frequently mention the Aqua Class staterooms with the exclusive spa access as a highlight, providing a rejuvenating experience throughout the voyage. Celebrity has pioneered a wellness approach that's particularly appealing to couples over 50. Their Aqua Class staterooms include exclusive access to a Mediterranean-inspired restaurant focused on clean cuisine, and the adults-only Persian Garden thermal suite, perfect for couples focused on health and rejuvenation. Their Caribbean, European, and Greek Isle itineraries are designed with the perfect balance of iconic destinations and lesser-known ports, allowing for both bucket list experiences and authentic discoveries. But here's an intriguing question. What if you're looking for a cruise that combines traditional elegance with distinctive romantic touches? Let me share a hidden gem that might be perfect for you. Princess Cruises' flagship, the Royal Princess, has built its reputation on understanding the essence of romance at sea. What makes the Princess special for couples over 50 is their commitment to creating moments of connection. Their signature Movies Under the Stars transforms their pool deck into a romantic open-air cinema each evening, complete with comfortable loungers, cozy blankets, and freshly popped popcorn. The adults-only Sanctuary Retreat offers a peaceful escape from the ship's more social areas, a tranquil oasis where couples can enjoy dedicated service and a refined atmosphere. Many seasoned travelers note that Princess Cruises provides a romantic ambiance that's hard to find elsewhere. Couples particularly appreciate the intimate dining experiences and thoughtful touches, like the open-air cinema for romantic evenings. Royal Princess sails some of the most romantic destinations as well, from the dramatic coastlines of Alaska to the sun-drenched Mexican Riviera and the historic British Isles. With 3,560 passengers, it strikes a balance between offering diverse entertainment options and maintaining areas of intimacy and seclusion. One of Princess's best-kept secrets is their emphasis on culinary experiences as romantic moments. Their specialty restaurants are designed for intimate dining, and their wine lists showcase vintages for the very region you're sailing through. But what if your ideal romantic getaway involves cultural enrichment and musical experiences? Let me introduce you to a cruise line that specializes in exactly that. Holland America Line's Koningsdam offers a sophisticated cruise experience with a focus on music, culinary arts, and cultural enrichment that's particularly appealing to couples over 50. So, what distinguishes Holland America is their commitment to live music and performance. Their innovative music walk features multiple venues, offering everything from classical chamber music to rock, blues, and Billboard hits, creating the perfect settings for romantic evenings of entertainment and dancing. The Koningsdam specializes in destination immersive itineraries through Alaska, the Panama Canal, and the Caribbean, with onboard programming that deepens your understanding of each region through cuisine, music, and lectures. With 2,650 passengers, Koningsdam offers a refined, elegant atmosphere without feeling crowded or overwhelmed. Their dedication to culinary excellence includes hands-on cooking classes and wine tasting that couples can enjoy together, creating shared experiences that continue long after your cruise ends. For couples over 50, Holland America offers something increasingly rare, a traditional cruising experience updated with contemporary touches, maintaining the elegant service and refined atmosphere that made cruising popular with mature adults in the first place. But what if your ideal of romance involves the ultimate in privacy and exclusive experiences? Let's take a look at the next one. For couples seeking the pinnacle of romantic luxury in an intimate intimate setting, Seabourn Cruise Lines offers an experience that rivals the world's finest boutique hotels. What makes Seabourn extraordinary is their commitment to creating a yacht-like experience. Their ship accommodates just 450 to 600 passengers, creating an atmosphere where every staff member knows your name, your preferences, and special occasions without you having to mention them twice. Seabourn's Mediterranean, South Pacific, and Caribbean voyages include unique experience impossible on larger ships, like their signature caviar in the surf beach days, where uniformed waiters wade into turquoise waters to serve you champagne and caviar on a surfboard bar. Every accommodation is a suite, and their all-inclusive approach extends to premium spirits, wines, and impromptu treats delivered by your suite steward, like a drawn bath with rose petals after a long day of exploration, or champagne and chocolate-covered strawberries as you sail away from port. Most guests over 50 who choose Seabourn describe it as the ultimate romantic escape. They frequently mention the personalized service and intimate settings as highlights, allowing them to feel truly special and pampered throughout the journey. For couples over 50, Seabourn offers perhaps the most precious luxury of all, the space and time to reconnect in an atmosphere of relaxed elegance, where every need is anticipated before you even express it. Now that I've revealed these 7 extraordinary cruise experiences, how do you choose one that's perfect for you? So consider these questions. Do you value cultural immersion over luxury amenities? Is hassle-free, all-inclusive luxury your priority? Do you prefer contemporary design or a wellness focus? Are traditional romantic touches important? Do music and culinary experiences speak to you? Is intimate, personalized service your ultimate desire? All of these questions make a difference in selecting the perfect cruise for you. Remember, the perfect cruise isn't about the most expensive ship or the most exotic itinerary. It's about finding the experience that resonates with your relationship's unique rhythm. These 6 extraordinary cruise experiences offer something increasingly rare: romantic experiences specifically designed for couples in their golden years. Each one understands that the best relationships deserve settings that inspire connection, conversation, and the creation of new memories. Which cruise experience speaks to your relationship? Let us know in the comments below. And if you find this insider information valuable, please subscribe for more travel secrets specifically curated for couples over 50. And remember, the most valuable journeys are the ones we take together. Until next time, happy cruising.